Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a great new update from Instagram that allows you to enable likes notifications from everyone right from your PC. If you want to stay updated on all the likes your posts are getting, follow these simple steps. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Just head over to your favorite browser and log in. Once you're signed in, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to reveal more options. Now, from the menu that pops up, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can personalize your account settings. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Notifications section. Click on it to access your notification settings. Here comes the exciting part. Find and click on Push Notifications. This is where you'll customize what notifications you receive. Finally, under the Likes section, you'll see an option labeled From Everyone. Go ahead and click on that option to enable likes notifications from everyone. Now you're all set, and that's it. You'll now receive notifications every time someone, even if they aren't following you, likes your posts. It's a great way to engage with your audience and keep track of your post's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and updates. Happy posting!